What's up, guys? I know it's been a while, but it's finally happening. Day in the Life 2. But first, I gotta fix all this. So I just got ready, and I know what you're thinking. What the fruit salad are you wearing? So to answer that question, it's mismatched day at school today, and I thought, why not? So I guess it's time to get this day started. Finally back from school. It's time to get the real day started now. Well, first order of business is pick up some groceries, I guess. See you there.
Deja vu, our thoughts came true. You moved to West LA, New York to Santa Fe, get away.
Made it to the grocery store. I'm gonna grab a couple items and I'll be back. See you guys then. Made it back, got some carrots in the bag, so it's successful. Alright, made it back home once again with groceries and some coffee, because staying awake after school is rough. Well, let's see what I can think of doing. Oh, you guys want to see my mice run? To show you my mouse friends. This is Timothy, and this is Remy. They make a pretty good team. So I just texted the crew, see if anybody wanted to skate today, because you can see it's quite amazing out there, and I really want to skate. I guess what we can do while we wait is watching YouTube or Netflix. Oh yeah, and this is one of my favorite things to do every day. Xbox on. Seems to be the only thing that listens to me. So I guess I just ended up watching the We Are Blood video, which I totally recommend if you guys haven't seen it. It is sick. Xbox turn off. Yes. Alright guys, Mikey's here. It's time to skate, so let's do this. Filming Day in Life 2. Yep. Border town. We made it. Doesn't that guy look like Merle from Walking Dead? Look, Mops.
Rag mop.
That's me. This girl all day. Yes. No, it just now started. I'm like, oh, he does. Look at the dog too. Thank you. You didn't? I don't think you did either. With the backpack, Ollie the 4-step, backpack, 2-strap. I'm gonna have to click it on. Alright, let's try it out. I feel like something bad's gonna happen. Come on, baby. Oh!
Oh, hi. Ow!
Later, man.
He just whipped me in the knee with his tail.
Dude,
It's more
that must have been
than
painful.
Cheetah.
Oh, it's so dark. I bet you can't see nothing right now.
It's cold.
That was fun. Whew. There's dew on the car.
Dad, take the Honda and replace it with a Silica.
What's the bike like?
Bad fuck ass. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I drive a Corolla.
Oh really?
Yeah,
What year?
2006. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love the older models of the Corollas. But those Toyota Silicas are pretty cool. They're what would you call them? Risers.
Yeah, rice burner.
Yeah, it is.
Rice cooker.
Rice
I even put an exhaust on mine. I was like,
Consider not.
Skating over. It's pretty awesome. Now we're at Walmart. How are you feeling?
My hair is ugly.
Mine too. Really sweaty, smelly, and gross. They look pretty old. She left me roses by the stairs.
Surprises, let me know she
Stop
cares.
fighting right after me. You know?
She left me roses by the
But when we're
stairs.
like on Adventure Time, whenever, he's like, if you don't talk at the same time,
Oh,
nobody
yeah.
can understand us.
Yeah, that was
Where's
Bufo.
Natasha?
That's Bufo, the frog.
Oh, what was his name though? Leonard?
I don't know. I
think
didn't.
it's Leonard.
I didn't know that part. I didn't really go through that. I don't know if you can
I think
read
his
that. It
name's
says
Leonard.
chips right there.
I want some fruit, you say.
What?
Fruit. Remember, I said I was hungry for some fruit.
How about chips? I'm pretty sure chips are fruit or something like that.
You're dumb.
Man, I'm just cramping up.
Me too.
This hurts so bad. You guys want to see something disgusting? This blood blister on my freaking knee.
Your pants are so tight you can't even pull them off.
Well,
There's
these
no
are-
bus doing that.
It is. And like, it's like,
Don't touch it. It's gonna bust.
it's not even skin there.
It's so gross.
You guys see that?
You're gross.
I'm just waiting for the day that it busts, but I thought it was gonna be today, but it didn't. Luckily, because that'd be disgusting, because I was in the bowl and it went everywhere.
Time to walk away.
So we're just chilling at Walmart.
No, I'm done.
Ah, we're done. So,
Peace, say peace, peace.
finally home from a long, long day. Where'd I get this hat from? I really don't know. But the packages came in the mail while I was gone. So I'm pretty psyched about that. I think I know what they are too. Ah, good day, good day. So I was going to do a separate unboxing video for these, but I just thought, whatever, I'll do them right now. So let's go ahead and get this thing done. So the first package is not really a box, it's more of an envelope, but let's open it anyways. Okay, obviously this knife really, really blows, but let's continue. Okay. Honestly, I probably could have just tore that with my hand. Alright, the first envelope. Ooh. Is my footprint pencil jar. Because, if you guys know, jumping down stairs, yes, tables in general, there's a lot of heating to your souls. Wait, that's not the right word. Anyways, I don't really know. But, yeah, that's the pencils, jaws. I think that's really gonna help. Jaws is known for jumping off, like, what, the Empire State Building? I think my feet will be okay. So I just realized my head was cut off in that shot. But anyways, the first package was this. Jaws footprint insole soul thingy. Apparently, you can save an egg from cracking. And I think these are going to be pretty good because Jaws is known for jumping off things like that. And the biggest thing I've ever jumped off was like a 9 stair. Does not compare to that at any means at all. So I think these will work for my feet just fine. So the next box we have is, well, we're about to find out. I'm starting to believe this knife really, really sucks. Okay, so that one isn't that bad. This knife is quickly redeeming itself. Yeah, alright, well, that wasn't too bad. And there they are. 2 Xbox One games. First we have The Evil Within. I'm actually kind of scared to play that because I'm like this, but anyways. And the second, Destiny. Quick unboxing for you guys because I'm really lazy and I don't want to do another video. So yeah, so I guess the rest of this day I'm going to be trying these games out, and eating dinner, showering up, getting to bed. So, hope you guys enjoyed this day in life too. I didn't really want to make it like the first one, with a bunch of car shots and barely any skating, so I tried to get a bunch of footy for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. It's been fun, it's been grand, it's been a day in the life. See you guys next time. Peace.